In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add SPF Record for Postmark. Here's the good news right up front. In most cases, you don't have to set up SPF specifically for Postmark. Postmark automatically uses a special return path domain that already has SPF configured. When mailbox providers evaluate SPF, they check that return path rather than your domain's SPF, which means messages sent through Postmark already pass SPF by default. So if Postmark is the only service you use to send email, you typically don't need to touch your DNS just for SPF. That said, it can still be a good idea to add or update an SPF record for your own domain. You'll want this if you also send from other services, like Gmail or MailChimp, or if you're tightening up authentication for policies such as DMARC to help prevent spoofing and improve deliverability. Let's walk through what to do. Start by logging into the place where you manage your domain's DNS. This could be a provider like Cloudflare, GoDaddy, or Namecheap. Open the DNS management area and look for an existing TXT record that begins with SPF1. If you find one, you'll edit that record. Avoid creating a second SPF TXT record. Having multiple SPF records on the same domain can cause SPF to fail. If your domain doesn't have an SPF record yet, create a new TXT record. For the host or name, use @ or leave it blank depending on your provider's format. For the value, enter exactly. VC's SPF1 include SPEF mtasv.net. All. This tells receiving servers that Postmark's mail servers are authorized to send on behalf of your domain. Save your changes and give DNS some time to update. Propagation can take up to about 48 hours. If you already have an SPF record, keep what you have and add Postmark's include. Edit the existing line so it contains include spf.mtasv.net near the beginning. For example, it might look like v-spf1 include spf.google.com include spf.mtasv.net. All. Save the single combined record. Remember, only one SPF TXT record is allowed per domain, so consolidate rather than creating a new one. A few tips as you finish up. Don't remove other. Include mechanisms you still use. Place Postmark's include early in the line, and keep the all mechanism unless you're certain no unauthorized systems are trying to send mail on your behalf. And that's it. Your Postmark mail already passes SPF, but now your domain's SPF record is set up to support your broader email setup and future authentication policies.